MumbleNote AI is the latest AI tool that has just been released, and if you're wondering whether it's worth your time, then this review has 7 crucial things you need to know about it. Whether you're new to MumbleNote or just trying to decide if it fits your needs, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how this software stands out. First things first, MumbleNote AI is designed to help you with note-taking and organizing information. It's not just another note-taking tool. This AI is crafted to understand context and generate notes based on your conversations, making it an excellent option for anyone who needs an efficient way to keep track of ideas, meetings, or research. The best part? You can try it completely free by clicking the first link in the description. When I first dove into MumbleNote, what struck me immediately was how intuitive it is. You don't need to manually organize your notes into folders or categories. The AI does all the heavy lifting, creating a seamless experience for users. It's built to learn from your preferences over time, meaning the more you use it, the smarter it gets. If you're someone who struggles to organize scattered thoughts, this is a game changer. Another feature that stood out to me was its ability to sync across all your devices. Whether you're on your phone, tablet, or computer, MumbleNote keeps everything consistent, so you're never losing track of important information. It automatically syncs everything, meaning you'll always have access to your notes on the go. But it's not just about note-taking. MumbleNote AI integrates smoothly with other tools you likely use, such as email, calendars, and even task management apps. It understands your workflow and can suggest follow-up tasks based on your notes, helping you stay on top of everything effortlessly. Now, let's talk about its unique AI-powered analysis. MumbleNote can actually scan your notes and pull out key insights. This is a feature that truly sets it apart from other note-taking apps. It recognizes trends, patterns, and important takeaways, so you don't have to manually comb through your notes to find the key points. This is a huge time saver for anyone who needs to analyze large amounts of information quickly. When it comes to collaboration, MumbleNote shines. You can easily share notes with others, collaborate on projects, or even leave comments directly on specific sections. If you're working in a team, this can save hours of back and forth communication, especially since everyone can contribute to the same notes in real time. The interface itself is sleek and easy to navigate. There's no complicated setup required, and you won't need to waste time learning a new system. The clean design makes it easy to focus on the content, not the interface. This is especially beneficial for people who are not tech-savvy and need a system that works intuitively from the start. Lastly, MumbleNote AI is always evolving. It's backed by continuous updates and improvements, ensuring that as your needs change, the software adapts. The team behind MumbleNote is dedicated to refining the product, and their support team is highly responsive, which is essential for any new software. If you're new to AI-powered tools and want something that's not only smart but practical, MumbleNote AI might just be the tool you've been searching for. And remember, you can try it for free by clicking the link below. I've tested thousands of AI software tools, and I only recommend the ones that truly stand out. So if you're looking for a powerful, easy-to-use tool that can transform the way you take and organize notes, MumbleNote AI is definitely worth considering. You'll find all the details and other AI recommendations in the description. Give it a try and see for yourself how it can improve your workflow today.